Well, hello everyone. As you can see, it's cloudy, it's raining, it's been bad weather. It's been cloudy since Friday noontime. Created absolutely no power. These are the last 3 days of production. 107 kilowatt hour produced, 120 used, and let's look at last 12 hours. I'm down to 37.6%. I don't know. I'm not connected to grid power yet. We'll see if we get through this with some power in a battery. Yesterday, on Saturday, produced only 9.8 1 kilowatt hours and used 22.42 kilowatt hours. So as of this morning, I'm at 37.6%. There's no sun forecasted for today. We'll see if we get through this. Two things I changed. There was no laundry being done yesterday, and no other heavy loads like a dishwasher and stuff like that. Everything else has been used, including air conditioning. Let's look at the last 24 hours. All those spikes, that's air conditioning being used. Then you come to the overnight hours, and into this morning you can see little spikes. That's a coffee maker. We'll see how all this works out, and if wife is going to be happy or angry if we have run out of power. She's probably gonna hang me outside one of the neighbor's trees. She can't do it of any of ours because I cut them all down. Interesting. With air conditioning, things do get tougher. However, right now we are making 25 watts. It'll be funny. Let's see what happens. Other than that, system is operating awesome. No issues whatsoever. If I continue using power at this load, I have enough for another 23 hours, but that ain't gonna happen. Everybody's gonna get up now. No issues, as I said. The LV6548s are operating brilliantly. Still working on my power stuff. It's a busy season, so I can't get really too far. Anyways, just a little update. Maybe I'll post another one later today, just so we can see where I'm at, or if we are charging anything into the battery today. I doubt it, but let's see how long we can go. Amazing with this weather system that went through. No power produced. Alright boys, I'll talk to you soon, and girls of course.